Upgrading from a traditional television to a cinematic projection setup is a big move, and the ViewSonic X1000-4K is designed exactly for that purpose. This ultra-short throw laser projector focuses on delivering a massive 4K experience without demanding complicated installation or a dedicated theater room. The defining feature here is ultra-short throw capability. Instead of positioning the projector several feet away, this unit sits just inches from the wall while still producing a screen size well over 100 inches. That means no ceiling mounts, no long cable runs across the room, and no distracting shadows when someone walks by. It creates a clean, modern entertainment setup that feels intentional and minimal. Resolution is true 4K UHD at 3840 by 2160. On a large projected image, pixel density matters more than ever. Fine textures, subtitles, streaming menus, and game interfaces all look sharp and clearly defined. Whether watching high bitrate films or playing console titles, the detail level stays consistent across the screen. Brightness is rated at 1000 ANSI lumens. In bright daylight with open windows, you will want some light control, but in evening viewing conditions or dim environments, the image performs impressively. The LED laser light source helps maintain stable brightness and color performance over time while also offering extended lifespan compared to traditional lamp-based projectors. Color accuracy is another strong area. With 125% Rec 709 coverage, this projector delivers richer and more saturated tones than standard HDTV color range. That means deeper reds, balanced greens, and natural skin tones. For streaming platforms, cinematic content, and even animated films, the enhanced color range creates a more immersive and realistic visual presentation. Audio performance often separates premium projectors from average ones. Integrated Harman Kardon speakers provide room-filling sound without immediately requiring a soundbar. Dialogue is clear and centered, background scores have depth, and overall loudness is sufficient for typical living spaces. For users who prefer a more advanced audio system, HDMI ARC support allows easy connection to external speakers or AV receivers. Connectivity options are practical and flexible. Multiple HDMI ports accommodate gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and streaming devices. USB ports support direct media playback. USB C adds convenience for modern laptops and compatible devices. This versatility makes it suitable not just for entertainment, but also occasional presentations or productivity use. Motion handling is enhanced with frame interpolation. Fast-moving scenes, especially sports and action films, appear smoother and more fluid. The feature can be adjusted or disabled depending on personal preference, allowing viewers to choose between ultra-smooth motion or a traditional cinematic feel. Design plays a big role in its appeal. Rather than looking industrial or corporate, the unit features a refined exterior with fabric detailing that blends into modern interiors. It complements living rooms instead of dominating them visually. Gaming on a projected 100-inch-plus screen changes the experience entirely. Racing games feel expansive, open-world titles become more immersive, and multiplayer sessions gain a new sense of scale. Input performance is responsive enough for most gamers outside of ultra-competitive esports scenarios. Long-term ownership benefits from the laser light source. Extended operational hours reduce maintenance costs and eliminate frequent lamp replacements. It's built for consistent daily use without constant upkeep. For anyone considering replacing a large television with something more cinematic and flexible, this projector presents a compelling solution. It combines true 4K clarity, wide color coverage, integrated premium audio, and convenient placement into a single lifestyle-focused device. If you are interested in upgrading your home entertainment system, check the link in the description for the latest pricing, deals, and availability.